guys, welcome back to another video on Snake Gaming. And today guys, I'm going to be playing some Beast One. So yeah. So right now guys, I have, look how much honey I have. I have a pretty decent amount for how bad I am. Last video, check it out if you haven't seen already. We defeated an ant boss with Max. And this time I'm a little sick, I was coughing a little. So, if I cough in this video, don't be like, stop, because I'm real sick. That's why I'm posting it this time. Usually I'd be in school. But, okay. So, I am going to be trying to beat a boss. I don't know what to do yet. Well, I have an amulet, if you didn't see it already, because I beat it. I got up to level, I forget. But, okay. I'm just gonna kill this. Oh wait, am I allowed to do the Beetle boss? I'm gonna check it out if I can. It's pretty hard for me. Let's see if I can do it. I can! Guys, I'm beating the Beetle, the King Beetle. Although I'm missing, obviously. So guys, you might just see me running. I'm gonna look back a couple times. Oh, that was a tree. No, I took 40 damage. Guys, I'm gonna run like this so you can see the King Beetle. So guys, I just run in circles basically. Might be a little long because it takes a little while to beat this thing. But I'm going to show you what you get from it. It's pretty good. You may get an amulet. It's a possibility. But when I beat it before. And I've never gotten the amulet, which I'm pretty sad about. Oh god. No. Oh my god. Okay. So guys, there's 1,924 health. Ah! Don't. Oh no. My bees keep missing. That's the annoying part about this King Beetle. Your bees always miss, and it's like, just bad. And you do like, it's pretty annoying, because usually like your lowest hitter is hit. And I have pretty good attacks on bees. Oh. Okay. I hope I don't die, guys. This is really about running right now because, yeah, it's insanely annoying how like I said, your bees miss. Like if my bees were hitting a lot more, it would be like dead. Because like, yeah, a lot of my bees are hitting, but right now, which is really good. Like look how much misses that one just was. Like, that's just annoying. But I'm hitting a decent amount. 1,246. That's pretty decent. It's almost down. Okay, it's almost at 1,000 health. Almost. Oh gosh. 40 health. Okay, so it's below 1,000. So it should be pretty easy to beat. Almost at 900. Ah. Okay, so I'm below 900 now. Yeah. Sorry, I'm just sick. And I had to upload because I'm so excited to upload this with my new audio. And I'm so sorry that my other videos weren't on audio because I just didn't set it up yet. So now these videos are audio. Make sure to sub and hit that like button. Now, guys, now I'm just gonna run because this is getting a little bit too difficult. This is what you have to do to basically juke it. You have to go there. You have to cut corners like this. Oh god. No, I took damage. Probably because I tried to get that coin thing. Oh. So guys, yeah, this is, I wonder what health. Oh god. I'm gonna switch it back. Okay, so guys, it has 172 health. 129 now. So guys, it's almost done. I'm gonna show you what this gives you. And I just want to show me beating it because... Oh, okay. So guys, it gives you all this. It gives you all this. And it gives you a lot of royal jellies. And I don't think I got the amulet. Oh man. But basically, look how much royal jellies I just got from that. I think I got like 5. I had a little before. Okay, so guys, I might exit this. Whoa, it's a honey storm. Oh gosh. Okay. It's a honey storm. Gotta go fast. Okay, I'm just gonna click I'm just gonna click beat this werewolf real quick. Because why not? It misses I think a lot. Oh gosh. Oh gosh. Oh, it's that. I got a ticket. Nice. Okay. So I'm gonna show you. Got a lot of honey from that time. Ooh, guys, look how much cash I just got from. I just realized from the beetle you get a lot of honey. So look how much honey I have now. So if you have a parachute or something like mine, sorry, I just messed that up. So if you have something like this, for mine, like this, you can do this. Oh my god! Sorry, guys, I keep messing this part up. I usually do it like first try, but I'm just getting a little click. Oh, come on! Okay, but guys, I'm just saying, I found this because I saw that royal jelly. You cannot get that one. It's a royal jelly. I'm just gonna. But there is a royal jelly which you have to get, and you can get that ticket, which I've never gotten. And I'll just do that. No! Sorry, guys. I'm doing really bad at this parkour. Oh, yes, it's night. This is what I want to show you. Okay, so this is like perfect timing. I hope I don't mess up now. Okay, so that's good. So this debates you. I don't know why I just said that. Okay, so you don't need to buy for that one. Okay. Okay, guys, you can do that if you want. I don't know if it's... Yeah, you have to get on that. Then, yeah, you have to do that, basically. Guys, that's not what I want to show you. You see that glitter thing? You need to do this parkour. It only works at night. It's oddly weird, but I think you're allowed. Oh no, I just messed it up. But guys, you can do this parkour only at night, which is it gives you a glitter egg. It's pretty good. Okay, so I'm just I'm just gonna get go to the 10 area real quick. Oh yeah, I'm gonna show you a really OP boss. That's like OP, and I've never done it, and I really don't think I can. I'm just gonna get to the 10 area. I don't know why I did that. Okay. So, guys, so you see, I'm just gonna. So look, 29 million health with a 993,564. That's insane, guys. Like, you need to be on the leaderboards to beat that thing. Like, it is insane. You need to have a lot of, Ooh, he just got a badge. Nice. But yeah, let me check if I can get a badge. Bamboo field. I'm just gonna click this. Oh my god, guys. Look how much honey I have. I'm trying to get... Sorry. So, I'm trying to get, Oh yeah, I'm trying to get a lot of bees to go to a 25 area or something like that. And comment down below if you know any, like... Oh yeah, guys. I can't believe I just forgot about this. So, comment down below if you find like a diamond egg or something and like parkour, because they're really hard to find. I'm gonna show you a golden egg. You need a berry or parachute to do it. Or like something, a glider or something. So you need a... Dude, so I'll show you guys. I might not do it, but I'm just gonna show you. I might do it with my berry because it's easier. If I can get one. Okay. Where is it? Oh, yes, I have it. Okay. So, guys, you go in the werewolf section. And then you see that? But you gotta spam glide or something. You gotta do that. You gotta spam it. Oh, I died. But you gotta spam it because my polar bear went out. But you gotta spam, like, glide it, whatever you're doing. And keep doing that. And if you don't, you're gonna die by the spiders. But if you do, then you're gonna get the golden egg. And then you just get it. Okay. So, I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Make sure to subscribe and hit that like button. And I'll see you on the next vid. Bye!